Hello everyone, today I'm here to teach you all guys rocket science. I'm sure this is beyond the ken of all of you. But still, I want to actually switch because Bacchus is willing and it's my cup of tea. Well, I'm here to teach you guys or school you guys only one peculiar thing. That is, it should be hard to swallow if even one subject that you learn is not rocket science.
But I won't bat an eyelid, sir, because it's not bone of contention for me.
It's a piece of cake for me, sir.
Oh, but try not to bite the dust.
We would be able to do that only when we are always right on our activities. Then we would bring final nail in coffin of rocket science on any subject.
Cost more than one day to skin a cat.
It looks as if you guys answer once in a blue moon. Okay, then as said from tomorrow, we have periodic tests. So please be prepared.
And not only that, we even have a skill test to prove whether you are uncharacteristic or an all-thumb guy.
I only have baker's dozen hours to read. Let me make a personalized path and a suitable timetable too. I can complete the reading even before anyone could say Jack Robinson. Oh, what is this? Why do I have often power cuts? How do I complete my studies right now? It's like being a big fish in a small pond.
Dad, tomorrow I have periodic test. I guess I will play Free Fire with my friends. But Dad, PUBG has been banned. What do I do? Tomorrow everyone is going to be amazed at my progress and I would say cock and bull stories for them.
Oh no, the examination is going to get started. I'm a bit nervous. I can't be the cat's whiskers this time. But I need to shoot straight. I can't do any type of cheating. Dad is leaving for work. Bye, Dad. Okay, Dad. Bye.
Oh, time for online class. Then I have to open a new tab and search for answers. Anyway, even for subjectives, we don't get cut and right answers. So I can do that and I can even turn on my video and show that I'm not chasing rainbows. It would be ball from blue for the others.
Good morning, students. Today, you guys are going to blaze a trial in examination. Now, I have shared the link in the chat box. Please acknowledge me if there are any technical issues.
This question is tough. Let me try to crack it.
This question is tough for you, but only know the answer. So no one can call me answer.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, the test is over. Your marks would be announced 1 hour later. I guess you guys could have licked into shape. All the best.
Oh, anyway, I have not done the test well. This time, while PTA meeting is held, I have to be face in the crowd. What to do for that?
Anyways, I will wait for marks. Then for why should I worry? Let me move on to Free Fire. But I shall not count my chicken before they hatch.
And now we are all here for the announcement of marks. First, Deepthi. Wow, Deepthi, you have scored 40 out of 40. It is unbelievable. It is surreal for me. Such a drastic change in your progress of yours. You are getting into cloud cuckoo land. Keep up the same spirit. Then Jayajivi scored 28 and Harish is 25. At last, Sujashni. What happened to you? You have scored 18 out of 40. There is a sudden decrease in your progress. I did not expect this from you. Try to improve yourself next time.
Sorry, sir. I would do well the next time, but I have a reason for it.
Just stop and try to improve.
But, sir, I have to say one thing.
Just stop blabbering. Don't think we have lost canon on you.
Okay, sir, I would apologize.
For tomorrow's periodic test, I have to study. But Pinky Pinky Punky style can't be a reason for me to be called on the carpet. But still, I won't worry about that.
Now I am absolutely prepared and I can answer whatever question asked from the textbook. So everything needs to be apple pie order tomorrow.
The periodic tests are over, so I need not waste time in writing exams. I have full time free fire. Everyone should call a spade a spade. But everyone calls me a talented person because it's true about free fire.
I'm not sure about myself, where I'm moving towards. In none of the periodic tests I have got good marks. But I can't find my feet here. I would be series of volcano in my next test.
Hello everyone. Now we all teachers have gathered to discuss the performance of each student and their weak points, where they have to improve. We even have our principal here to make it more interesting, as even Homer sometimes notes.
Yeah, sir. Me and the others make sure that we get to the bottom of this curve and show better performance among students. Do you guys remember one thing? The previous year, even Dipti was given a punishment to cleanse the audience table at our playground when she did some mistakes. So, what about a performance in practicals? I mean, in chemistry lab or any other activities.
Yeah, it was her chance to do the practicals. It was just like a bull in a china shop. All the beakers and test tubes were broken. Boots was on the other foot when I have to answer to the principal sir.
But she has a lot of change in her marks now. Previous year, he only scored 13 or 17 out of 40 marks in the periodic test. And now he has scored 40 and 40 in both the units. He has overcome being the doldrums.
It seems she has a monotone bomb progress.
Jayajivi and Harish are as usual, but some progress is to be seen. But we didn't expect this from Sudarshini because he has a lot of depreciation. It seems he had more fun than a barrel of monkeys during study periods.
Even I agreed. because normally she gets 40 and 40 out of 40 marks in both the units, and now she just gets 15 and 18 marks out of 20. Such a dramatic change. Then, here afterward, we have to beat her and call her for studies, it seems. She has 9 days wonder for distraction of the studies, it seems.
Any remarks on her skills?
Yeah, even I have seen her doing best artworks and she even has a better general knowledge. Even in camps when it was a condition of not enough space to swing a cat, she managed.
Wow, that's great. I just want to clarify one thing and break off this chain of rocket science. Well, you guys, we're discussing about the marks of each student and the mighty progress. I think it's a bad act.
What's your remarks on them?
In that, we can find one's talent by their skills, and in tomorrow's test, I'll be able to do that using simple tricks. First of all, the test would be like yours, but the questions will be designed in such a way that the logical answer is different and the answer in search engine is completely different. So tomorrow, we're going to go bananas. We are going to cut our ITs to know the absolute one.
That's great. Okay then, we would end the meeting and I would have catch a few rays for a while.
I am lot nervous about the particular test because I have gone catch 22 in my previous 2 examinations, but still I never give up and I won't give up. I should prove that the chips are not down yet.
Gloria, I have won this match. Oh, I forgot that I have skill test tomorrow. But why should I worry? Because I have Google. Because we should cross the bridge only when we come to it.
Now, you guys will be having a test in an interesting manner. Well, we have got questions that are much tricky. No one can carry favor for the marks, as we have silent marking schemes. We have got dangerous questions that require the build of general knowledge and skills to pass. I have posted a link in the chat box so everyone can start the test.
Oh, what is the question? What is the largest plant? The answer would be Acetobularia, which our biology teacher taught me. It's not a band aid solution for the difficulties.
This question. Which is the largest plant cell? I will search Google and don't be practice by one. Oh, it's taking time now. Yeah, it's xylem, so I would mark xylem.
The time's up. I hope everyone could have submitted to this. But no one should have the habit of at least heal after the test. We'll have a meeting after 1 hour to discuss the results.
This time I had wrote the exam well, so no need to worry. It too won't be catch as catch can.
Now we all are in this meeting to discuss the results. The highest marks is scored by Sudashni, who has got 40 out of 40 marks. Now I would reveal the tricks that we played for the examination of his skills. First of all, we had some tricky questions, such as what is the largest plant cell? It's Acetobularia and not xylem. Last but not the least, we use our softwares and technology to monitor your on-screen activities and audio without unmuting your mic. And we even found some important things.
That's to prove not to get someone's score.
Then JGV scored 25 marks, Hari scored 21 marks, and at last, DT scored 11 marks. What a depreciation! Then I think there will be albatross around your neck. I guess he scored 40 out of 40 marks in the rest of the subjects. Can you please give the reason for this? After you have known the tricks that have been played behind this particular text. But don't be about this.
Sorry class and everyone. I apologize because I had copied and written the previous text. Sorry again.
What did you learn from Miss Deepthi?
The most important thing in this world, in all situations, is to always shoot straight. I mean, we have to be honest.
That's right, Deepthi. In short, we have to be vigilant and honest always. It means we have to shoot straight, whatever the situation it may be. It may be online test or any other scenario. Everywhere we need to have naked truth and not lie. If you are not, you will go out of kilter and definitely reach the point of catch 22. Hope this was informative to everyone. Thank you all.